Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and do a quick video of the Ridge Washer underbody power washer attachment. Basically, you're gonna pick this up if you want to pressure wash the underside of your car, or you want to get. Mostly, it's an automotive application, but if there's anything that you want to basically pressure wash the underside in without actually having to crawl underneath the thing that you want to pressure wash, you're gonna pick something like this up. It's just arrived. I want to do a quick unboxing here and kind of see how the overall quality is and how I think it's going to hold up to seasons and seasons of abuse. All right, so now that we got the box open, there's actually not a whole lot in there, but you do have the two pieces here of the wand. This is actually what connects to your power washing device, and you actually have the unit itself, the power washing unit itself. Now, the reason why I went with this particular design is because it has the two large wheels as opposed to having two smaller wheels here on casters. Now this one here, these are almost like, the best way I can describe these actually is it's like rollerblade wheels. It's the same type composite rubber material, and what I like about that too is that they do allow you to do a swivel, but having the larger wheels, if there's like any gravel, or if you have an uneven driveway, or there's a crack, or you have poured concrete like I do, and you've got those little gaps between the concrete, these will not get stuck and they're going to roll fine. The smaller wheels on the casters will get stuck in the cracks. They'll get hung up on gravel and debris or whatever. This is going to roll fine, and as you can see here, you can make all of the adjustments that you want to make. I just knocked the instructions off. They do include the instructions, but something I do like that they included in the box is they include with extra little O-rings and seals in case the ones that are on here actually wear out. Let's kind of get some stuff out over here. Setup on this is going to be super simple. Basically, you're going to find everything has the standard connections here. Everything has the standard power washer connections. You're going to take the other end, and it's just going to press in that way, and then you're going to take the other end, and then you're going to, let's see if I can do this here on camera. Hold on. Press in. There we go. And now you're connected. You've got the whole wand, the whole extension there. Let's actually let's get this outside in a second, and let's see how it works. All right, so now that we're outside, we've got our car. We're actually going to set this up, and again, this goes into a standard power washer nozzle here. Basically, everyone's going to have this little quick release on the end. This is going to fit right into it. And now once we've got it set up, make sure it's underneath, and then we've got, helps if you turn the water on. So now that you've got it here, and then we hit that, you get that nice spray, and then again, you're standing up out of the car, and you can just, you can just wash the underside of the car. Overall, I think it's a really well-built product, and I do recommend it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description, and if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.